Hey everybody, Bob Everhart and Diane here at E-Marine Systems. We had a great turnout for all of you who sent in your photos of your boat installs. We really appreciate it. There were so many good ones that we couldn't pick a best. So what we did is we figured we'd pick like 6 or 7 that we thought were really cool. And Diane's going to pick one here, and that's going to be for our solar lantern giveaway. So Diane, go ahead and grab one of these and just pick it out. And okay. And that, let's see, which one is this? This one is a Moody 425, Roy Peterson. So Roy,
congratulations.
Congratulations. And we'll do a runner-up here. Go ahead and pick another one.
What are we drawing for?
I don't know. It might be, we might give away one of these globes so that they can navigate. And we'll find out something else that's in the back there that we think is pretty cool. But let's do a runner-up. All right. And who is this? This is William, I don't have my glasses on.
Fretwell.
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 There he is. And so he's got a, looks like a Kyocera 140 on the back of his boat. Really cool looking install.
Great job.
Thanks everybody.